Hi all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you that Citibank is hiring through us. So Citibank is hiring for the role of operations support where any graduate can apply for this. Any graduate means any graduate, whether it could be BTech, BCA, BSc, any candidate can apply for this. And the work location is in Chennai. And coming to the salary part, the salary is 3.25 to 4.5 LPA. It's a very good salary to start your career with. So what you have to do to schedule your interview? So I'll be sharing a Google form link in the description below. That is this link. So just go to this link, fill your email ID, name, mobile number, highest qualification, year of password, current location, and some basic questions are there. You just fill it up and we will be sharing that Google form results to the Citibank people. All eligible candidates can expect a telephonic interview from Citibank people within 2 weeks of time. So let's talk about the responsibility part. So operations support specialist position is responsible for providing operations support services including but not limited to record, documentation, maintenance, storage and retrieval of records, account maintenance, imaging and the opening of accounts in coordination with the operations core team. So I'll be keeping this job link in the description below. So please open the link and check all the responsibilities given here and don't get confused with the Google form link which I'll be sharing along with this link. So that link will be the main link where you have to submit your details and those details will be sharing with the Citibank people. So don't miss it. So coming to the eligibility and qualifications, 0 to 3 years of relevant experience. Even if you are fresher, you are eligible. Even if you have similar experience, you are eligible. Good written communication is compulsory. And the third point is experience working in a business office or operational environment. This point is only for the people who have experience. Proficient computer and math skills with a focus on complex databases and spreadsheets, demonstrates technical and administrative expertise, consistently demonstrates attention to detail. So guys, one important point is this is a rotational shift basis job. So candidates who are okay for night shifts only do apply for this. So all who are planning to apply for Citibank job, it's a very good opportunity and you all know how reputed bank Citibank is. So do apply for this. And one important point is the candidates who have recently applied in the last 90 days and who have already went for a walk-in or who have faced telephonic interview do not apply or do not fill the Google form. And for rest of all people, all the best, and we are coming up with more interesting topics for you. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.